Lollipop!
Right.
He's a boot get energy or something.
I wonder how many points Shands is going to lose by accidentally getting hit by flowers.
All I want to know, right, is just how much of a diabetic she is.
Why?
With the amount of sugar she puts inside her.
Nah, that's fine. There are worse things she could put inside her.
Yeah.
You missed something on the left!
Kate, you're gonna lose your bubble.
Leaving us 4 coins!
Wow, 4 coins.
Coins! All the coins.
You're gonna lose your bubble. What? Your bubble. And your hair falling out.
Oh no! Zombies! Ah!
Evelyn, welcome back. Watching Dan play completely different games than normal.
1 silver coin. Really?
You say different, I say fine.
I prefer the old ban farm because, well, you can literally farm silver coins in that one.
You might as well, if you have like time or whatever. That's what I do.
Still then?
Because when I get this game, there's only one costume I'm going to be buying because he's running. No apologies.
Oh, shut up,
stop
baby!
pissing off people.
We go.
Someone's pissed off the dog.
Yeah, you should explain.
Knock it off!
Dog's
Going that's
excited.
because
Bring it in.
his mum is leaving.
I don't know where she's going.
Shot, probably.
Go on, kill them all.
I'm taking way more damage than intended.
It's intentional damage.
Hang on, Blue
Oh,
Lasky,
Jimmy.
hang on, Blue Lasky knew we're with. Guy playing on the left,
Shans.
Jiggy. Guy on the right, Master One Hyperion.
And him, sure.
We're about the same height, bro.
But I'm just that
Right,
1
let's
millimeter
destroy.
strong. It's like that 1 millimeter makes all
These
the
aren't
difference.
destructible,
In some
okay,
bits
but
you
these
want
are.
them actually true. Banter.
Look at the bright side. Recycling's useful.
Great banter. Great banter.
Also, you get penalised for the amount of lollipops you take in a mission.
Yeah, no. It's like in Bayonetta, you get penalised using items, which is why I try not to. Fuck him in the ass. That's not even this isn't the best costume, by the way. And someone in the chat, we can let him decide between the 2 costume options that we've presented.
Well, I'll be going for the 25 because that is the best one for me.
Nah.
You'll see why.
Yeah, but 85 is funny. You're going for the banter, and banter is, well, funny. The zombies are coming. I can actually double it. You took a penalty!
I don't care.
You're going to take bigger penalties later on. I know at one point you're going to have to continue from something. Whether or not.
Who wants to hear some copyrighted music? And I trigger it. There we go.
Do it. Destruction.
Combo.
No way. Oh baby, a triple. Because he already killed 3 enemies. Go on, then.
I want the song to play a bit longer.
Level
Well, that's
1.
the old prologue
Complete.
done. With 1 lollipop.
Is that your final answer?
Well, there is no final answer.
Never mind. No one got the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire reference. He got it, but... Stupid undead douchebag.
Oh wait. Why is Nick?
Plot twist.
Oh god.
Stupid undead douchebag.
It doesn't cost him an arm and a leg. Or, in his case, a head.
No, it cost him his whole body more like. Bitch was not happy about that, was she?
Why did she just chop off his arm? Oh wait, plot point.
By the way, I'm going to have to go to the shop before we go to Deadpool because I need to get changed to the bus. So we're going to have to leave about 1:30 then.
I can give you change for the bus.
I need to
how
take
much
money
I
out
got.
anyway. I need to take money out for it anyway.
Well, I was going to give you 20 quid.
Oh yeah. I don't need to take money out for it, but I still probably need to shop.
So you're just gonna have to wait until I go to the shop, and I'm gonna
That's
go to the
fine.
shop now.
That's fine. Yeah, but just wanted to make sure everything was in check and
I'm
whatnot.
gonna have to pay Nan half. Pay and half I take. I can't
Say,
pay
dog,
the
shut the fuck up before I set you on fire.
Bailey!
Why didn't she just cut his head off and stick it in a jar?
Then she can't smash people over the head with it.
Everyone misses the
Sorry
Futurama
for
reference.
you guys in the stream.
People in the stream, we also need your opinion. Do we buy 25 coin to outfit or 85 coin banter outfit? It is banter, it's funny.
Recipe Nicky would be missed.
People.
No,
There we go, stream over.
No. What would you do?
I love you, baby.
Chicken with dress.
Who did?
Just imagine the amount of stress and shock she's put on his body. That would have severely killed him. Oh wait, she's just using witchcraft.
It's a computer game, Shans.
No. No. Shut up.
I don't care if I get bronzes or anything like
You
that.
want to go in the hallway?
Bronze beasts!
Yeah, probably PPI. That's why Nanny don't believe Nancy. These flipping cold callers.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Well, dog, if you shut up.
Loads of people now don't answer their landlines because of them.
No, I
Always
answered
we
it
get
one
is solar
time,
panels.
and they tried
All I
to
do
say
know
it to me.
is whenever you hear the
PPI, and they said, it's a bit hard for me to have PPI because I'm only 14, so leave me alone.
You know what would really get cold callers off the line, and that would make them stop coming back? Play hentai down the mic.
That
made me feel awkward.
You've had an accident, or have you had an accident?
Oh wait, I'm a quadriplegic.
Really? When?
I know you. And they said, oh, about 2 years ago. I said, yes, I knew about it.
Dog, shut up!
No. No.
Just you wait till I get my hands on you. Oh wait.
Shut up.
Dog, shut up!
We lost Blue.
I can tell. Dog.
Shut up! Look her up there!
Try it.
How did you know all this?
How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Tarka Strong could do anything.
Juliet?
Don't know how to say that exactly.
Zombies! Now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
Don't hate me.
Blown.
Don't hate me.
Who could hate that?
If I remember correctly, the stages in this game are actually very short.
Well, it all depends. Like the old Banner Farm is quite big.
Yeah, but also you can just
With
go through that quite quickly.
in comparison to everything else, it's like most of them.
You know, there is still a zombie there.
Oh no. I was just destroying the supplies.
More dummies.
Yeah.
There's one here. Well, it's on 3.
Lollypop.
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Right, just to see if there's anything I missed.
Hey, Mr. Fitzgibbon. He's hard.
Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
Well, that was about an anti-climax.
I swear to God, dog, I'm going to take your lungs. Box out. Over there, I'll say with the Vietnamese.
Korean Judy.
So the Vietnamese eat dog too.
They'll eat anything. Oh, I'm such a bad guy. I could use martial arts.
He's also going to die. If I remember correctly, that was the one guy you missed in this level. Because you were too busy killing the zombies down there, and they killed him.
Not this playthrough. Hopefully.
Hey!
You got 206.
Ah, bitch. Well, full destruction mode, come on.
I'm gonna remove her just so I can demolish the, Hey, come here! There we go! Hey, come here! Now I can kill you. Just wanted to destroy those lockers. That's all.
You gotta take that guy for the overall.
I swear that coin was stuck in the wall.
Let's go hang out after school.
You want M9?
And he disappears into nothingness.
What's the exchange rate for gold to silver coin?
I'm not sure.
100 to 1.
Wouldn't they be platinum anyway if they're more valuable than gold? Even though this place has got a fucked up exchange rate.
Oh! Get away from her! Oh, she's dead.
I think that's scripted, Jeremy. That's either scripted or you took so long getting into the damn room. It did look quite scripted. Table that I really do not think to give out. What do you even still need gold coins for?
Well, anything, really.
Oh, this looks like saving this dude's gonna be a pain.
I've already beaten before.
Yeah, it's kind of scripted.
Yeah, you gotta save the dude though, but there. Yeah. And a platinum coin. Oh, 2 platinum coins. They must be platinum, surely. Ah, shit.
Hello, Akbar!
Allahu Akbar! Michael Bacon.
Confirmed.
Well, that's a bit anticlimactic.
Ah, boo.
Oh, man.
And he thought I had bad jokes.